The civil authorities have issued a hazardous materials warning for Yakima WA, beginning at 2:52 p.m. and ending at 5:52 p.m. A shelter-in-place notice is in effect for those in the area of Leshwa Tire Center Fire at 2002 South 1st Street, Yakima, WA 98903 due to a potential hazardous release. Close and seal windows, doors, openings and turn off HVAC systems and intakes. Monitor www.facebook.com/yakimaquintiles/ for updates and information. Turn off HVAC systems, seal all doors and windows. Shelter-in-place area starting at Washington Avenue at railroad tracks at 40 Road going east I-82. North on Rudkin Road to Nob Hill Boulevard. West of Nob Hill Boulevard. To railroad tracks. South from Nob Hill Boulevard railroad tracks to Washington Avenue.
Okay, well that's pretty rare for Washington State, so if you live in those areas around Washington State, shelter in place now.